our guest of this webinar. So academically, Dr. Kapoor did an engineering in computer science, did MBA from ICFI University, Hyderabad, cleared national eligibility test in management field, postgraduate postgraduate diploma in tourism and hotel management, and also a PhD in management field. Dr. Kapoor is an international certified corporate trainer from American TESOL Institute and is a leading motivational speaker belonging to Jaipur, Rajasthan, and has delivered corporate training and motivational seminars to hundreds of corporates like L&T, Reliance, LIC, Havels, NTPC, to name a few. Presently, Dr. Kapoor is working as an assistant professor of entrepreneurship skills in India's first purely skill-based university, Bharatiya Skill Development University, and is having 11 years of teaching and training experience. He is a reputed educational professional, well-known motivational speaker, and a columnist in the leading newspaper. We welcome him on board today at our platform. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Sankal Gupta, sir, and all my dear students. We are here to begin with the webinar over here today. I would like to first of all ask from all of you if my audio is clear to you and my video is clear to you, and the slideshow, if it is clear in front of you, just write a yes in your chat box, please. If my audio, video, and the slide in front of you is clear to you, just write a chat yes in the chat box, please. Okay, yes. Okay, all right, yes. Come on, yes. Thank you so much, thank you. Well, all right. I once again welcome all of you in this webinar of today's on how to increase your self-confidence and be the best version of you. All right. Thank you for the wonderful introduction given to me. I am just a person who is dedicatedly working to uplift this society and giving my maximum to it. All right. So, my dear students, the future leaders, teaching, you all are in your currently studying in this school. So, teaching is the art of communication. But before going forward and before starting with my presentation, I would like to inform all of you that, see, there are 3 C's, my dear leaders. That is connect, convey, and convince. If a businessman is connected well to his clients, or if a professor or a teacher is connected well to his students, or even if a leader or politician is connected well to his followers, and then they convey a little bit and the audience get convinced a lot. But if the leaders are not able to convey a little bit, the audience are not at all conveyed a lot. The 3 things are connect, convey and convince. I repeat once again, अगर आप सामने वाले से अच्छी तरीके से कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो आप थोड़ा सा भी कन्वे करें तो वो बहुत कन्विंस हो जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप बिल्कुल भी कनेक्ट नहीं हुए, आप डिस्कनेक्टेड हो गए, तो आप इतना कन्वे करते रहें लेकिन सामने वाले आपसे बिल्कुल भी कन्विंस नहीं होंगे. तो इस वेबिनार के दौरान यदि आप इस मुझसे थोड़ा सा भी अगर कनेक्ट होते हैं तो just write a yes again in the chat box. I would try to give maximum of my content in the next 80 minutes over here. So here we go, my dear students, my dear friends. So teaching is the art of communication. Words are not our first language. You'll be surprised to know that whatever words we do speak, they only lay an impact factor of 7% in the minds of the listeners, in the mind of the viewers. The next thing is voice modulation, right? Many researchers have proved, many psychologists have also proved that voice modulation, the crest and troughs in our voice, जो हमारी आवाज में उतार और चढ़ाव आते हैं, that lays an impact factor of 38%. The thing which is the most important is our body language. Body language involves the movement on stage, the facial expressions, the eye contact, the voice modulation, the gestures, postures, and your facial expression, how you are able to communicate. It involves 55% of the impact factor. You might have observed various great leaders also. In the screen you have been observing Mr. Modi and Mr. Donald Trump also, right? How you shake hands with others is also an important component of body language. आप किसी से हैंडशेक करते हैं, आपकी फिस्ट ऊपर की साइड में रहती है, that means you have a dominant nature, आपका प्रभुत्व ज्यादा रहता है. So all in all, body language is very important while communicating with other people also. Communication skills are always on the top of the essential skills in any of the job advertisement. If you see, it involves building a rapport. First of all, as I told you, that building a connect is very important in anything, right? And it can help to build your long-term relationship also. In this communication skills, I would tell you two concepts are there, that is parroting and paraphrasing. Parroting is what, my dear friends, my dear leaders, whenever you talk to someone else, right, to establish a connection, you just repeat whatever he has told you, but in some words, like a parrot does, like Rattu Tota jo hota hai, he gets on repeating the things. So in way you get into the other person's shoes also, and you establish a good connect also. That is called as parroting. Paraphrasing is what you, when you speak to someone, you speak the same things, but you speak in another words. The concept is the same. आप कान को यूं ना पकड़ के आप दूसरे तरीके से आप कान को पकड़ रहे हैं, that is paraphrasing. These two concepts can be utilized to develop an effective communication skills and have a better version of you. The next thing which is very important is listening skills. My dear friends, my dear leaders, it is very important that one should have a listening skills. Listening and hearing is totally different from each other. If you want to develop a good communication skills, we should have a silence. You can observe SIL, the opposite is LIS, and ENT, opposite is TEN. That means silent is equal to listen. When you practice or follow the listening skills, then you can definitely communicate more. Communication process is the process of sending information between the sender as well as the receiver. As you can see on the slide, all right, sender sends a message to the receiver then responds him with the feedback to him, and they are communicated between them. A channel is being used. Some disturbances can be there, for example the noise can be there, which can hamper the communication process. So to have a smooth communication, sender and receiver should be in the same sync and the same line. And the sender, when he sends the message, he codifies the thing, right? For example, he tells the thing, in the IT term we tell him that he encrypts the thing, and in the receiving end they decrypt the thing or decodify the thing. That means the thing should be in the same manner as the sender wants to say to the receiver. This is the communication code scheme. The most common ways to communicate can be written as well as the verbal communication. The speaking, writing, visual image, body language, they are the most important. Visualization or imagination. All right, my dear friends, visualization is a very powerful nation, I must say you. So while you speak, just visualize the thing in the mind what the other person would be thinking of. So the most important way to communicate are these. Now moving forward, the main topic for today, how to be the best version of you. All right, see my dear friends, my dear leaders, you might be the best in your own ways, in your own qualities, but it is said that good, better or best, never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So we all are here for attaining the perfection. Nobody of us can be the perfection. If somebody is there who is perfect, that is Bhagwan, Allah, Khuda, Vaheguru, whom we have never seen. But we are here to improve ourselves. Continuous improvement, the principle of Kaizen. Japanese use the principle of Kaizen, that is continuous improvement, that we have to apply. And I'm giving you quick handy tips over here, which you can apply and implement in your life and be the best version of you. So the first tip, my dear friends, is be relaxed and be yourself. Yes, be relaxed and be yourself. Do not try to copy others. You are best in your own ways. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are, you have your own strength, my dear friends. Just introspect yourself. Do not try to copy others. Even the fingerprints of two hands are not alike. So how can two persons be the same? In English, we say that good, better, best. Superlatives of big is big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. But unique, uniquer, uniquest is not the case, my dear friends. Because unique is only one, and that is you. You have your own strength and you have your own weaknesses. Just be relaxed, be focused, and concentrate on your own things. The second is work with a consistent consistency. Be focused on your goals and work with a consistent consistency. And follow effective time management. If I talk about consistent consistency, you can see in the figure, whomever knows this person, this fellow person, this gentleman, Dashrath Manji, may type DM in the chat box. DM. You can write DM in the chat box. Dashrath Manji. All right, DM, DM, DM. Okay, fine, fine. So Dashrath Manji was the person who had no technology with him, right? एक छेनी और हथौड़ा से उन्होंने एक पहाड़ तक को तोड़ दिया था. All right, so we can say that even faith can move mountains if we have that consistency among us. And the very most important is the time management, right? See, all of us have equal time to be unequal. All of us, like whether we talk of the Dalmias, the Singhanias, the Burmans, the Munjals, or the Ambanis, the Adanis, either you or either me, all of us have these 24 hours. Be it any person, they are living in, like, let's say New Jersey to New York to New Delhi. Everybody have 24 hours and they can utilize the 24 hours to become unequal. So I am over here giving you 3 time matrices which you can use and apply in your life. The first thing which you can apply is known as the urgent important time matrix. All right, see, you can take one page, have a big plus sign in front of them, and you can have 4 quadrants. All right, on one side you can write urgent, and on the vertical side you can write important. So 4 quadrants in front of you can be less urgent, less important, less urgent, more important, and likewise those 2 quadrants. So I would like to see and ask all of you, see, in the first quadrant you can see the things which are there, which are more urgent and more important. There are things which are very much urgent and very much important. Like, let us say we have the meetings, the deadlines. You can have your projects, classes, assignments, important calls. Those things from your 24 hours can be classified as into the quadrant of more urgent and more important. Next quadrant is the things in your daily schedule which are more important but less urgent. Yes, there are some things which are more important and less urgent. For example, I can say, like, if I have a daughter, like I have to एक टाइम ऐसा आएगा जब उसकी शादी करनी होगी आगे, right? But for that I have to make a lot of savings. That thing I know it is not urgent, but it is important. So I can categorize those things in this category. Now you tell me, my dear friends, my dear leaders who are listening this webinar, like, what are the things according to you which can be categorized into the category of less urgent and less important, but still we are doing it. I just want to see from all of you the things which are less urgent and less important in our daily schedule. What are the things which are less urgent and less important, but still we all are doing it? Please write it in the chat box. Okay. Less urgent and less important, still we are doing it. Please comment it on the chat box. All right. Jayashri says using phone. Very nice answer. Using phone, obviously, yeah, using phone, social media. Lakshay says social media, definitely correct. All right, I must say you, see, Facebook is definitely, yeah, Facebook is not Facebook. It is actually fake book, my dear friends, my dear leaders. All right, I'm getting lot many responses. All right, see, we are not facing our problems. We are Facebooking our problems. So these all social media, watching TV, gossiping, going out, playing games, Chinmay Wadhwa, right? Thank you so much, my dear friends, my dear leaders. Thank you so much for your replies. All right, so the thing are that these are less urgent and less important, so they can be categorized as time wasters category. Still we are doing it. You need to see yourself that what are the things which are falling in this category, and you have to minimize those things. So this is the first framework. The second thing, my dear friends, my dear leaders, you can utilize it as 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. rule. It's very important. You can divide your daily schedule as into two categories. 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you can focus on your main task or your main goal. And from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. you can focus on multiple tasks of your whatever you want to achieve in your life. So by doing such things, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. you will be focused on your crystal clear goal, what you have in front of you. And from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. you can do multitasking. So this can be a time management framework which you can utilize. And the third framework I'm giving you over here, you can divide your 24 hours into three categories: 8 hours, 8 hours, and 8 hours. 8 hours you give to sleep, sound sleep, right? 8 hours you give to your hard work, and the remaining 8 hours you can divide it into F plus H plus S. That is family plus friends plus faith. You can divide 3 hours into this. Your health plus hygiene plus hobby. You can divide 2 or 3 hours depending upon you into this. And soul plus service plus smile. It's very, very important, my dear friends. You can divide into this, right? वो कहते हैं ना कि सब रोगों की एक दवाई, हंसना सीखो मेरे भाई. It's very, very important because an adult, if we see, they smile on an average just only 20 to 30 times. But on a small child, on an average, smiles to 200 to 250 times a day. So smile is also very, very necessary. So it's a very important ornament that you can wear always. So you can use these kind of time management framework also and apply to your life. Now moving forward ahead of this, after time management, it's the thing which is very, very important is efficient decision making. Napoleon Bonaparte, when he went to conquer a city or conquer a dynasty, when he went by the route of boat, sea, so he used to burn all the boats behind him, because he just said to his troops that either we will win or we will die. There is no point of moving back. Yes, my dear friend, it's very, very important that you take a decision and you stick to that decision, come whatever may. Like I'll here do a very quick important activity with you, all of you, right? All of you have to participate in this. Just listen very carefully. I'm here giving you two animals, right? You have to be one animal out of those. You have to select one animal whom quality you admire the most. All right, just listen very carefully. The first animal is Mr. DOG, Mr. DOG, and the second animal is Mr. Ghade Singh, that is Mr. Donkey. So who all wants to go with Mr. DOG or want to acquire the quality of DOG can write DG. They can write simple DG, and for donkey they can write DK. Come on in the chat box. Let it be rolling. Let the replies be rolling. Mr. DK or Mr. DG, donkey or dog. All right. Lakshay wants to have the qualities of donkey, DG. Okay, Dupali DG. Rashi says DG. Okay, DG or DK, donkey or dog. Praveen says dog, DG. Just write DG in front instead of dog, and DK instead of donkey. Okay, all right. Let the replies come. Right. Do not just see into yourself whether you want to acquire the qualities of DG or DK, donkey or Mr. Dog. Okay. Okay. All right. Fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for participating in this. Both. No. You can choose only one out of those. You can choose only one out of those, depending upon your perception. All right. See, whenever we take a decision, just we follow these four. Meanwhile, you can just type in the chat boxes. All right. Whenever we take a decision, we follow these 7 steps. We define the problem, we establish the goals, we identify the resources that we have, we consider the alternatives in front of us, we make a decision, then implement the decision, and finally evaluate the results. So these are the 7 basic steps to making a good decision. And now the activity which I gave you, like I got a lot many responses from all of you, whether being a DG or Mr. Or donkey, Mr. Ghade Singh. So here I would like to tell all of you that we can take a very good leadership lesson from this small activity. Wherever you live in, like in part of Jaipur, Rajasthan, wherever, you might have seen in the lanes that whenever a dog tries to crosses the road, he is kind of baffled. He is not able to make a decision that whether I should go ahead or whether I should lean back, whether I should go ahead or lean back. मैं आगे जाऊं या पीछे जाऊं, आगे जाऊं पीछे जाऊं, यही एक तरीके से उसके माइंड के अंदर कंफ्यूजन रहता है. एंड सडनली अ बाइक कम्स एंड उसको बैंग्स ऑन हिम एंड ही सेज लाइक, so this happens, my dear friends, my dear leaders, with a Mr. DOG that we are talking about. Whereas Mr. Donkey, when he goes on the road to cross the road, when he goes, he just gets stuck on the road. Na wo aage jata hai, na wo piche aata hai. So this lesson we can take into our life, that whenever we take a decision, we have to stick on it. We have to be like a donkey. Na aage jaye, na piche jaye. Just get stuck with that decision. So this is very, very important, and it is valued by great leaders for many reasons. That being able to, all right, thank you so much. You can continuously write yes, yes in the chat box. I'll feel more motivated by this, and I'll try to give you maximum of my good content in this stipulated time period allotted to me. So making, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So making decisions is very, very important for getting success in our life. Sometimes the actual decision also doesn't even matter. What matters is that you have made it and you have moved on in it. And the right decision, right time to take right decision is right now, my dear friends, my dear leaders. Right? If you see the beauty of God, you can see the moon. If you see the power of God, you can see the sun. But if you want to see the best creation of God, you can see in the mirror. That is you. So you have to take a good decision always in your life to be successful. The next thing is set appropriate targets or goals for your work. All right, yes, you have to make a goal setting in your mind. Even in Bhagavad Gita also, it is very well said in one of the shlokas that Vyavasaya Atmika Buddhi Ekaha Guru Nandinam Bahu Shakhaya Hyatashinam. That is, when your duty and your work becomes one, when you are aligned to one thing, Ekaha Guru Nandinam, Ekaha, when it is one in your mind, then definitely you can achieve success in your life. So goal setting, my dear friends, is very, very important. You have to know your roles as well as your goals. Your goal can be written. First of all, I must say you, whatever you want to achieve in your life, you can just write it or take a printout of your goal, that I want to achieve so and so percentage in my 12th class, 11th class, or I want to achieve so and so things. I want to become whatever is your passion or profession you want to become in your life. You can just write it in front of you and paste that thing on the maximum places of your house. Let it be your almirah, let it be your wardrobe, or like your wall, your washroom. Everywhere you can paste that goal, because it is very well said that what goes out of your sight goes out of your mind. So the things have to be crystal clear in front of you, and those things which will give a very good, I must say, signals to your mind. If you use various kind of toothpaste also, like, or any product you use, why do you use them? Because you see the advertisements, and those advertisements give a signal to your mind. So अगर हम उनके प्रोडक्ट के लिए, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय डियर लीडर्स, उनके प्रोडक्ट के लिए अपने माइंड को हम सिग्नल दे सकते हैं खरीदने के लिए, तो क्या हम अपने आप के माइंड को सिग्नल नहीं दे सकते अपनी लाइफ को बेटर बनाने के लिए? Answer would definitely be yes, I know. So the thing is that we have to give good signals to our mind, and we have to have written goals in front of us. And the next, because कहते हैं कि कोई लक्ष्य मनुष्य के साहस से बड़ा नहीं और हारा वही जो लड़ा नहीं. So the next thing is that our goals must be smart, and it is not like smart like Hrithik Roshan or Varun Dhawan or anybody else. Smart here means that it has to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So you have to have this acronym of your SMART goals whenever you develop it, because a goal without a deadline is not a goal, my dear friends. It is a dream. It is just a dream. And in front of you, you can see the great leader like Swami Vivekananda. If any of you have this great leader, you admire this great leader, just like SV in the chat box, Swami Vivekananda, SV in the chat box. All right, yes. Swami Vivekananda was a great, like noble person whom we all must read about him and apply all his qualities, because he was the one who said to us कि उठो जागो और तब तक मत रुको जब तक आप लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति ना कर लो. He said to have an idea, to think of an idea, to eat that idea, to sleep that idea, and let that idea be like tidal waves which engulf you completely, so that every power of your body just sinks that idea. So Swami Vivekananda is very, very important role model in front of us, whom we can always look up to. Now, with the changing times, my dear friends, my dear leaders, the goal setting model have also become smarter rather than smart. All right. So smarter, E means evaluated. So how did you do it? What did you learn? What were your learnings? Have you attained that goal? So the thing is that you have to evaluate your goal also, whatever you have been doing. And R stand here for reviewed. You have to review your goal. In these things, 3W have a major role to play, like what went wrong, what went well, and what could be better. What went wrong, गलत क्या हुआ, what went well, सही क्या हुआ, and what could be better, मैं सही क्या कर सकता हूँ. Alright, मैंने क्या गलती करी, we have to learn from our own mistakes. And everybody, like if you see great entrepreneurs, like if you see like Wright brothers, they have learned from their mistakes. And when they developed that aircraft, right? Even everybody clear reader you read, like Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein, all of them have been learning from their own mistakes. So we have to also review our goal. This is very, very important. Now I'll do a very interesting training activity with all of you. Right, since we are training it for the virtual, just imagine in your mind, like if you are standing in front of a wall, right, and I keep your eyes blindfolded and I give you balls in your hand. So how many percent chances are there that you will hit the wall in front of you? Write in the chat box, please. Simple question to you, very simple question. How many percent in terms of percentage, what percent chances are there that you'll hit the wall even if your eyes are blindfolded? 100. Vedika Khushi says 100% chance. Okay. Dharmraj says 1000% chance. 100%. Man Agarwal says, okay. Chinmay says 90%. He still has some doubt that it won't be. Okay. Devesh said 80, 100, 100. Okay. My dear friends, my dear leaders, there are 100% chance. I agree to that. You can hit that ball, which is in front of you, even if you are blindfolded. Now, the second case I give you, like listen to it very, very carefully. The second case I give you, that your eyes are still blindfolded and you are rotated. आपको जोर जोर से घुमाया जा रहा है और आपको नहीं पता बॉल कहां पर है, वॉल कहां पर है आपके सामने, सॉरी वॉल कहां पर है, आपको लगातार घुमाया जा रहा है, आप घूमे जा रहे हैं और एक पॉइंट के ऊपर आकर आप रुकते हैं. नाउ हाउ मेनी % चांसेस आर देयर दैट यू विल स्टिल हिट द वॉल? प्लीज राइट 20 to 30%. ओके, आयुषी सेज 50%, वैदिका 50, 10, धर्मराज 10, Kashish 10, 2%. Okay. 20, 30%. Okay. 70%. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for writing. Thank you so much. Well, any figure can be the correct answer. Like if I say 33.33% chances probability are there, then it will also be correct. All right. Now I give you the third situation. The third situation is that I remove the blindfold in front of you. आपकी आंखें पूरी खुली हैं, and I remove the wall in front of you, and आपको मैं जयपुर के SMS स्टेडियम के बीच में या लॉर्ड्स के मैदान में या मोहाली के स्टेडियम में बीच में खड़ा कर देता हूं. Then how many % chances are there that you will hit the wall? How many % chances are there that 0? Rupal Rathod says 0. Jayashri can still hit 100%. 100. Okay, my dear friends, thank you so much. The students of Malviya Convent School are very, very like engaging, engrossing. All right, see, my dear friends, my dear leaders, there are 0% chances that you will hit the wall because there is no wall at all. So, my dear friends, my dear leaders, अगर आपके सामने आपका लक्ष्य है, तो 100% चांस है कि आप उसे पा ही लेंगे. But आपके सामने आपका टारगेट है, but still it is somewhat vague in your mind. Still there are some possibility that आप उसे पा लेंगे. लेकिन if you don't have your target in front of you, then there are 0% chances कि आप उसे पा सके. It is very, very important. So you have to continuously learn and adopt in these times of COVID-19. I must say there are only 3 A's जो आपको आगे help कर सकते हैं, that is adaptability, adaptability and adaptability. People are learning to adopt new things. Students are learning to online studies. Everybody is shifting online. So to learn new competencies, there can be 9 C's, just like the 3 D's of determination, dedication and devotion. There can be 9 C's to learn new competencies in your life. That is clarity, curiosity, confidence, creativity, commitment, conviction, celebration, cooperation and concentration. You can utilize these to learn some new competencies in your life, because see, learning is a never ending process, my dear friends. Whether you are in any age of your life or any stage of your life, never stop learning. I myself consider myself as a student in my life always. So keep learning and keep growing yourself. And the thing in goal setting is one term known as procrastination, जिसको जैसे हम कहते थे कि काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. So now it has changed to आज करे सो कल कर, कल करे सो परसों. इतनी जल्दी क्या है, अभी तो जीना है परसों. So this is the thing, to linger on the things, कि आज का काम हम linger on कर रहे हैं कल के ऊपर. So why do we put the things instead of doing them right now? It is probably because of the habit that we have formed. There is a poor prioritization that we have. We are not able to manage the time, and that's why we linger on the things to tomorrow, day after, or some other day. All right, and tomorrow never comes, my dear friends. Or maybe it might be due to poor or no planning at all. So these are the things of which we can result of procrastination, of lingering on the things. The results of procrastination can be stress in your mind. I've trained multiple corporates in my life till now, and I can tell you with my own experience that people in corporates are stressed, depressed, but still well dressed. All right, there is stress in the mind of everybody. So result of procrastination can further increase to further stress in your mind. So do not procrastinate. Pressure can come in your mind. Crisis can be there. Continuous firefighting can be there. And all in all, it will reduce your quality. Your quality will degrade. So what can we do when we are faced with a task? Follow these 5 D's in front of you. Either decide to do it, delegate it, dump it, deadline it, or dissect it. That means divide it among a shorter task. So this is the very important thing. या तो काम को करो या उसे delegate कर दो किसी और को, और इधर dump that task, I'm not going to do it, और deadline it कि मुझे इस टाइम तक काम करना है, पूरा खत्म करना है, और dissect it, उसको अच्छी तरीके से आप divide कर दीजिए. तो it is very very important for dealing with procrastination. So delegation is a very effective management device also. You should know what task can you delegate. आप अपने friends को delegate कर सकते हैं, अपने brothers को कोई काम दे सकते हैं. क्या काम देने चाहिए? The things which you must do and you should do, you cannot delegate them. जो चीजें आपको करनी चाहिए and you should do, you cannot delegate. It is you who is responsible for all those tasks. But the things which you should do, you could do, others should do, and others must do, you can delegate them. And the things which other must do, you should not be doing that anyway. So you should know what task you can delegate to others as an effective management tool, as an effective time management tool also. So delegation is a very important tool also. Next, to be the best version of you, my dear friends, leave the disease known as excusitis. Right from the beginning, right from your childhood, you have been facing various kind of diseases like hepatitis or conjunctivitis. It is me, Dr. Shekhar Kapoor, which is giving you the disease known as excusitis, bahane dene ki bimari. Because all the successful people, they have a disease known as allergy to average. Right? They want nothing but the best. They have an allergy to average because if it is important to you, you will find a way. If it is not, you will find an excuse. In the figure also you can see, like there is a person who is having a false leg, unke cascades lage hue, footprints lage hue, a false leg lagi hai, tab bhi he is like doing weightlifting. Is he giving any excuses? No. So you should not give any excuses, any lame excuses for any kind of work which we are being allotted. All right. So have a disease called excusitis. Next is be courteous, be disciplined, and be punctual. Follow always from the great leaders. Like if you as a boss, as an entrepreneur also, if you are going to your office, the time stipulated is of 9 a.m. and if you go by 9:30, right? One or the other day, like definitely you will become great successful entrepreneurs or businessmen, business tycoon or engineers, doctors, whatever, like my good wishes are with you all. But whenever you go to your office, आप 9 बजे की बजाय 9:30 बजे अपने ऑफिस पहुंचते हैं, then you'll be flooded with lot many works from your team. You have to check a lot of mails, get a lot of letters, drafts, checks, signing, etc., etc. So you will be working according to them. But on the other hand, अगर 9 बजे की बजाय, if you reach your office by 8:30 a.m., then you will be the one who would be dedicating and delegating the task to your team. So it is very important to be courteous, disciplined, and be punctual also. Mahatma Gandhi used to say that काम की अधिकता नहीं, उसकी अनियमितता, यानी कि the inconsistency ही, it is the thing which is very very dangerous and hazardous for us. The next thing is have a knowledge of your field and keep it updated. Always keep the knowledge of your field, whatever field you are studying in, whether science, humanities, commerce, whatever field. Have a continuous upgradation to your knowledge. You can read lots of articles, newspapers, journals, blogs, right? You can follow the blogs, YouTube videos. There are lot many things, lot many good sources of knowledge. Just the thing is, we should have a yearn to learn. लर्निंग का एक बर्निंग डिजायर हम सभी के अंदर होना चाहिए, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय डियर लीडर्स, बिकॉज द की टू सक्सेस इन लाइफ lies in the key itself, that is keep educating yourself. Always keep educating yourself. As I told you, be a lifelong learner, because जो लोग गिरने से डरते हैं वो कभी उड़ान नहीं भरते हैं. So it's very very important that we have to have a yearn to learn and a learning a burning desire we should have in ourselves. Come on, if you are liking the presentation, liking the content, please continuously write a yes in the chat box. I'll definitely feel more motivated to give you the loveliest content to all of you in this particular time period. Thank you so much for being interacting and being so much enthusiastic. Thank you so much, all of you. Okay, thanks a lot. All right, next we move. What good things we can take away from this, that you have to be mad for any of the target in your minds. Completely किसी भी चीज के लिए आप सोच रहे हैं तो आप उसके लिए पागल हो जाइए. And mad का मेरे यहाँ पर मीनिंग है, I mean to say that make a difference. Make a difference. Mad means make a difference. There have been one lady in like UK side also who like जिनका कोई बेटा था जो एक बार एक एक्सीडेंट में ट्रक से कुचल के he got died. He like उनकी डेथ हो गई थी. So and the reason was trucker driver drunken tha. So the lady on her own formed an organization known as MAD, MADD. That means Mother Against Drunk Driving. राइट उन्होंने पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बना दी जो वर्ल्ड में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है. सो कोई भी टास्क बनाने के लिए राइट डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू गेट मैड फॉर इट. एंड द थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली बाय लिसनिंग वेल. Communication is very very important, as I told you, and listening well, right? You can follow here 5 key things, that is hear, understand, digest, meditate and apply. I repeat, hear, understand, digest, meditate and apply. You hear first of all, then you understand, you digest it, you meditate, and then you apply the things. Or you can follow the RURR model also, that is receiving, understanding, responding and remembering. Receiving, understanding, responding, remembering. That's why you can communicate well and be completely mad for your task. The next thing is very very important, that is power of focus. The god of cricket you can see in front of it, like who have a charm for this great person can write ST in the chat box first of all. ST, come on, yes, Sachin Tendulkar, right? Whoever a charm for this great god of cricket, and we all are living, we are so fortunate enough that we have lived in such a time period that we have seen this person playing on the field. All right, and we can say to our future generation that I have seen the god of cricket playing on the fields, and now Virat Kohli and other players have taken the place. But the thing is that what is important here is the power of focus, because wherever you focus it grows, your focus grows and the things grows. Like you have to have a power of focus. Always give positive feedback to everybody, right? Do not give negative feedback, and fight your fear always, right? वो कहते हैं ना कि डर के आगे, all right, what is डर के आगे क्या होता था वो, I don't remember. डर के आगे, come on, yes please write. जीत, okay, जीत है. और डर के आगे जीत है. Okay, thank you so much. लेकिन I would tell all of you over here that डर के आगे जीत तो है, लेकिन डर के आगे दर्द है, दर्द के आगे सीख है, और सीख के आगे जीत है, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. Right? You remember this Sachin Tendulkar when in 1980s, probably 1988 or 89, right? जब सचिन तेंदुलकर खेल रहे थे और सामने से पाकिस्तान के फास्ट बॉलर थे वकार यूनुस, सकलेन मुश्ताक उस टाइम के, तो एक बॉल आई और आगे सीधे बाउंसर उनके नाक के ऊपर लगी एंड ही वाज ब्लीडिंग वेरी प्रोफ्यूजली. उनका पूरा खून खून हो गया था टी शर्ट के ऊपर एंड एवरीबडी थॉट दैट ये तेंदुआ तो गया. तेंदुआ वाज हिज निकनेम. All right, so सबने सोचे तेंदुआ तो गया, but at that point of time Sachin only said 2 words. That is, he said कि yeah, 17-year-old guy, that he only said 2 words. That is, मैं खेलेगा, I will play, yes I will play. वो उठे खेले और उन्होंने पूरी जीत दिला दी हमारी कंट्री को चौके वौके लगा के उस टाइम के ऊपर. So इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स आप सभी से कि डर के आगे दर्द है, दर्द के आगे सीख है और सीख के आगे जीत है. आप जितनी मर्जी माउंटेन ड्यू पी ले, आप सभी का कोलेस्ट्रॉल भी बढ़ना है. So that is the thing that we have to have the power of focus also, and never give up. Those of you who can identify this great gentleman, if any, can write in the chat box who is this great gentleman, if you could recognize him or if you know him. Any of you, if you would know him, can write the name, who is he. All right, do not try to Google it. Right, if you know, then you can write. If you don't know, it's definitely permanently perfectly fine. The person in your screen in front of you is the great Prime Minister of Britain, that is Sir Winston Churchill. He gave a very small and superb speech at that time, that is, never give up. Never, yeah, Churchill, Winston Churchill was his name. All right, so he gave this speech, never give up. Whatever be the conditions prevailing in front of you, never give up. Kabhi haar nahi manni hai. Always keep on moving towards your goal. Always keep on moving towards your goal. Right? So the thing is that जो भरा नहीं है भावों से बहती जिसमें मझधार नहीं, वो हृदय नहीं, वो पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं. So we have to have developed a feeling of patriotism also, and never give up in these prevalent times also, in these tough times also. Good times will come ahead. It says that light is there beneath that tunnel in front of you. So have your great power of focus and your great positivity inside you. Never let it die. The next thing is to be a better version of you is attitude of gratitude. It's very important, my dear friends. Attitude of gratitude. It is said that if you want to develop a good habit, researchers have proved that it takes 21 days to develop a habit. To make or break a habit, it takes and it's very important. Write down I am thankful to. आज के दिन आप किस किस को thankful थे. Alright, for example आपने ओला या उबर यूज करी जिन्होंने आपको अपने डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचा दिया. Just write it down. I am thankful to the cab driver. Right, because if you write those things, if you develop an attitude, thank you so much. Vedika is writing, she's using the diary in this thing. So if you definitely maintain that diary kind of thing, these 4 points, so positive vibe will emerge out of your body. ऐसे नहीं कहते कि किसी इंसान में से positive vibes आती हैं और किसी में क्या आती है तो यार ये हमारा mood spoil करेगा, negativity फैलाएगा. Right, this is the thing, that positive vibe will definitely come out of your body once you develop an attitude of gratitude. And very important thing, that value addition. Always have great value additions in your daily life, daily schedules. इतनी सारी अभी ये लॉकडाउन का टाइम पीरियड जो चल रहा है घर पे, so मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, are you here in this webinar to waste your time or to invest your time? Write in the chat box please. Are you over here to waste your time or to invest your time? Okay, invest. Okay, you invest your time, definitely invest. Definitely. So in these times, we definitely have to invest our time by listening to various webinars, by learning various kind of things. So all in all, we have to have a great value addition in ourselves. और अगर आप में से किसी को भी लाइक इस स्ट्रेसफुल टाइम के अंदर भी अगर आपके माइंड में थोड़ी सी आपकी लाइक फेस के ऊपर थोड़ी सी भी अगर हंसी आती है अगली स्लाइड देखकर, तो जस्ट राइट LOL इन द चैट बॉक्स, LOL. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. See, in this situation also, he is having an attitude of gratitude that thank God cows don't fly. So the thing is that we should develop an attitude of gratitude always in our life, come what may. Now show me all of your smiling faces, and I would request the moderator also, like if the cameras are on, they can like get a very nice pic of all of the budding entrepreneurs, budding future businessmen, business tycoons with a good smiling face also. I'll definitely continue the presentation. Okay. No problem. Next is quality of a good trainer. All right. Quality of a good trainer. If you want to be a good trainer, so the thing is that you have to have content mastery, first of all. How to handle people. Ability to build repo. आप repo कैसे बनाते हैं? इसके अंदर it's a very good short formula. You have to apply 4 things. That is icebreaker, training activity, energizers and role play. ये क्या होते हैं? मैं भी आपको इसके बाद I'll explain to you. Then next is be with them, show energy and display passion with your audience. If you want to be a good public speaker also, if you want to develop a good career also, like so be keep these things in mind, that be with them, show your energy and display passion. Have a caring attitude and dress to impress, especially on day one. It's very important that you look good also, dress to impress on day one. So these are the things which I was talking about, the icebreakers, training activities, the role plays and energizers. What are they? We'll have a quick look out of here. Icebreakers are like, icebreakers need not connect to the module first of all. जो भी हम पढ़ा रहे हैं, जो जिस टॉपिक के ऊपर भी हम बोल रहे हैं, आइस ब्रेकर्स क्या होता है कि एक तरीके से यू डोंट नो द ऑडियंस, audience don't know you, so you try to break the ice between them. So it should not be connected to the module. Clear cut instructions must be given to the participants. Jargons or complex words must be avoided. Jargons क्या होते हैं? They are difficult words which one set of people understand while the other set of people doesn't. For example, if I talk to the IT professionals about NPV, debentures, stocks and all, so they would be having less understanding of that. While if I talk to the commerce or art students, and that too of the Punjab area, Chandigarh area, I ask them that what are the 4 versions of Java, they would definitely not be knowing them, and they might be saying that Mar Java, Mid Java, Lut Java and Kithe Java. So that could be his point of. We should avoid those kind of jargons. So this is very important. I'll do a very quick icebreaker activity with all of you. You have to write in the chat box one adjective which should be start with the same letter as your name. For example, my name is Dr. Shekhar, so I would write Smart Shekhar. You write whatever adjective you want to associate with your name, write it on the chat box, right? Starting with your name. Come on, fast. Okay, Master Man, I'm getting the responses. Astonishing, Aman. All right, amazing, Ayushi, very nice. Perfect, Praveen, very nice. Keep rolling, keep the chat box rolling, my dear friends, my dear students. Okay, right, laughing, Lakshay. Very nice. Okay, very nice. Sensible, Sunny, sincerity, sincere Simran. Nice, Naman. Thank you so much. Ruling, natural Nana. Very nice. Thank you so much. So these can be one of the icebreakers that can be used. Next, about the training activity, it must connect with the module. Whatever you are going to speak, right? It must connect to the module. The participants attend in it, while in a role play, the participants watch it. The purpose of both are same. In training, we include all the people. Example of a team building activity I used to do, like you have to like divide into, like people are divided into teams and they design a board and a pack of cards would be there. So a kind of training activity would be there. Virtually, I can do one training activity with all of you. You can just observe the slide and just answer me. All right. Listen to the instructions very carefully. The 4 squares are being shown on your screen. A, B, C, D. 1/4 part of the square A, B and C is shaded. First, you have to divide unshaded portion of A into 2 equal and identical parts. Think in your mind. No need to write on the chat box. Think in your mind that how will you divide the unshaded portion of the A into two equal and identical parts. I'll show you the answer also. Like by this, by drawing this line, we can divide it into two things, two equal parts. All right. The next thing is divide the unshaded portion of B into three equal and identical. Listen to it very carefully. Into three equal and identical parts. How do you divide? Think it in your mind. Visualize. पिक्चर क्रिएट करिए अपने माइंड में. थ्री इक्वल कॉपी है तो सामने रख लीजिए. कैसे आप इसको थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एंड हियर गोज द आंसर. आपने इस तरीके से बना लिया एंड इट इज लाइक दिस, लाइक थ्री इक्वल पार्ट. एंड नाउ सी. ओके, C is divide the now the level would be increasing. Now divide the unshaded portion of C into four equal and identical parts. Four equal, right? Done. Okay, four equal. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि it would be easy or difficult, write E or D in the chat box. This one, third part, E or D, easy. Okay, okay. I'll give you the clue also, right? The solution is not in the form of triangles. It lies in the problem itself. E. Okay, you're finding it E. Okay, fine. All of you, please write in the chat box whether the solution would be easy or difficult. Okay, you must be thinking and writing. So here I will show you the answer also, like not to like waste much of your time because I have some more things to do. Right? By drawing such lines, we can divide these things into four equal and identical parts. All right. Now comes the portion of D. D would be divide D into 7. Now it is 7, not 3, 4. It is 7 equal and identical parts. The portion of D. Now write it in the chat box whether it be, if it would be easy or difficult, write E or D, or very easy or very difficult. Even you can write VE or VD. 7 equal and identical part. VE or VD also you can write. VD very difficult, D difficult, E easy. Okay, fine. You can write VE or VD, right? VE or VD, very easy, very difficult. Please write everybody. D difficult, 7. VE, VD, okay. VDE, okay, fine. D, it will be difficult, right? Seeing on these things. All right, now thank you so much for replying. So I would here show you the answer also as well. Well, let us see the clue first of all. Obviously it is not in the form of triangles. This is the clue. And here we go with the answer of this. Now tell me, my dear friend, this is the answer, 7 equal and equal. Is it very easy or very difficult? It was easy, definitely. It was easy. But seeing on the constraint, seeing on very easy, it was definitely very easy. But seeing on the things, and the lesson over here is of mindset. Mindset is very, very important. If you have in your eye, if you have in your homes a good sofa set, a good mobile set, a good headset, a good TV set, but if you don't have a good mindset, my dear friends, my dear readers, तो कहीं पर भी set होना is very, very difficult. So we should always have a good mindset also in front of us. The next thing is grab the opportunities, whatever you are getting. Like opportunity are nothing. If we say that like इसका तो luck ही बहुत अच्छा था, ये इस चीज में सेलेक्ट हो गया, इसका लक बहुत अच्छा था. सो इसके अंदर मैं कहूंगा लक इज नथिंग. आई एम सॉरी, लक इज नथिंग, बट इट इज प्रिपरेशंस बैक्ड बाय योर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. आप जितनी ज्यादा मेहनत करेंगे, डेफिनेटली कोई ना कोई आपके सामने एक ऐसा ऑप्शन जरूर आएगा जब अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलेगी. But if you are preparing, if you are not preparing at all, if you are like wasting your time and suddenly a good opportunity comes in front of you and you are not prepared, then my dear friends, you will not be able to grab that opportunity, because it is said that better prevent and prepare than repent and repair. All right. There is a very famous story, like currently I tell you a very small story, that in the months of December, like in the area of Jaisalmer, it was very, very cold during the night also. So a person was sleeping with a quilt on his totally full forehead. And suddenly there was a knock at the door, knock, 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 knock. The person kept on sleeping. Again, there was a knock, 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 knock. The person shouted and asked, who is there? The voice came, I am the opportunity. He says, you're a liar. Why? Because opportunity never knocks twice. So my dear friends, my dear leaders, in life also, you will seldom get good opportunities. So my advice to all of you is to prepare yourself for the best and also the worst. You should be preparing. You have to have a great mindset in your mind. Prepare yourself for the best to come in the times to come. I am representing over here the India's first skill-based university, that is Bharatiya Skill Development University. This can also be a very good opportunity for past class 12. Bharatiya Skill Development University, luckily, it is located in Jaipur itself at Ajmer Road. Here they follow the Swiss dual system of skill development. What is Swiss dual system? That means whatever course you are doing, the 3-year degree course that you are doing, that they are divided into 6 semesters. In the first year, you have 2 semesters, and in that first 6 months you study in the university, theory as well as practically, and next 6 months you are there on your industry. That means you don't study in the university, you work in the industry, and you work as an employee for complete 6 months, where you get a good handsome stipend also. So this model is nowhere else, like it's very rare model, right? So it is there in Bharatiya Skill Development University, where in the 3 years of degree course, you get 1.5 years of complete industry exposure also, and learning from there also. Like earning and learning both are there. This is known as the Swiss dual system of skill development. The courses over here are, the thing is that you might be aware of the new educational policy which has come. But this university has been following this policy since its inception. While if you study over here for 6 months, you get a skill certificate. You can definitely leave the university, get a certificate, leave the university and go to your job, right? Or if you study for 1 year, that means 6 months theory and 6 months in your industry, and then after, if you leave, you'll get a skill diploma. You'll not be empty handed. If you study here for 2 years, right, it would be advanced diploma. But if you study for 3 years complete, you will get a BVOC degree. In the times to come, it might be changed to 4 years in the coming times, according to the national policy. So MVOC degree is also there, and PhD degree is also there further. So the name of this degree is not BBA, BCA, BCom. It is BVOC, Bachelor of Vocation, which is equivalent to all the degree courses, be it any of the graduation courses, and the BVOC students are equally competent with any other courses that they are doing. Then comes the School of Entrepreneurship Skills. There are 20 schools in this university. So this school is the School of Entrepreneurship Skills. So if you see the great entrepreneurs, be it Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Ratan Tata, Azim Premji, or any of the entrepreneurs. So here we are having this field as entrepreneurship skills, where we develop you as great entrepreneurs, which is the need of the hour. Presently, the COVID times is going on, and if we see that we can, from this calamity, if we try to develop an opportunity, that is the role of an entrepreneur. So an entrepreneur is the one who organizes, manages, and assumes the risk of business or enterprise, and is rewarded with the profit and fame and continuous growth opportunities also. So if you want to have continuous growth opportunity, then if you want to be an entrepreneur, a Bharatiya Skill Development University offers you the one. The next, I'll have a quick the run of this university also. It offers one of the things known as School of Manufacturing Skills is there, wherein the milling machine and turning machines are there, where you can learn and have the great expertise. And these machines are basically like in lakhs and crores. The labs are set up over here. It's like if you have to happen a chance over here, you can see the great infrastructure and machinery and everything over here. This is known as the Mazak 5-axis machine. The cost in itself is 2 crore rupees, and it's purchased from Japan. And apart from the 5-axis, if you see, it was 3D, 4D, and 7D have come. So it is the 7-axis machine which works, which is of like in crores of the rupees, and it is also the students are being trained over here on these infrastructure and machines also. You can see the students are being trained. This is one of the schools only out of the 19 schools that we are currently running, School of Manufacturing Skills, right? Next is the School of Refrigeration and AC Skill. At school, we known in foreign countries, we call the branches as the terminology of school. So School of Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, if you want to develop a skill career in the case of the refrigeration, air conditioning, compressors or chiller plants, so you can like have a look at the refrigeration school known as RAC skill. So we are having over here the Daikin Certified Center of Excellence over here. Next is the School of Automotive Skill. If any of you like in the future want to develop a good career in the automobile sector, the two-wheeler, four-wheeler segment, so School of Automotive Skills is also provided over here, where you get hands-on experience to all the things. Automotive skills, like you get to have hands-on experience on the like dent puller machines, spot field machines, wheel balancing, alignment, everything from service industry to the manufacturing and to the automobile industry. Hands-on experience is being provided over here. नेक्स्ट फील्ड इज स्कूल ऑफ वुड वर्किंग स्किल्स. लाइक कारपेंट्री की स्किल भी कोई छोटी मोटी स्किल्स नहीं होती माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. लाइक कहते हैं कि हाथी का बच्चा और खाती का बच्चा बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है. सो द चेंज विद दिस चेंजिंग टाइम्स आर द टाइम्स ऑफ मॉड्यूलर फर्नीचर डिजाइनिंग ऑल्सो, वेयर द स्टूडेंट ऑफ दिस स्कूल are the winners of the national level skill competition, and now they are going to represent it on the world skill competition to be held at Russia. So this school known as the School of Woodworking is also here. It's a totally different university, my dear friend, my dear student. So these are the kind of machinery where you get trained on hands-on experience. School of IT networking, obviously like the time is of IT and networking, the machine learning, artificial intelligence, the robotics, everything, the 3D printing lab, all in all the university provide great things to you, like for all the great upcoming features also. Then next thing is School of Electrical Skills. If any of you like want to develop a good hands-on experience on the electrical segment, working on the smart power system, transformer training kit, solar technology, or house wiring, industrial wiring, so this is the thing for you or for your anybody else whom you can refer for this. So there are industry PLC and SCADA training kit, solar technology kit. The students are getting hands-on experience on these kind of skills. School of Entrepreneurship Skills, as I told you. School of Construction Skills is also there. If you want to develop a career in the civil field, civil engineering field, so this can be there. Office Administration, if you want to develop a career in the office administration, be in the public sector or the private sector, it could be there. Then if health related, like BSc students generally like they can go for health care skills and nursing assistant skills, that is also provided over here. My dear friends, my dear leaders, let me tell you the current scenario of our country also, that India is one of the youngest nation. All of us know that Youngistan ki country hai hamara desh. More than 62% population is in the working age population. And by the end of 2020, the average working age of India, it would be 29 years. Imagine, it would be 29 years as compared to 40 years in USA, 46 in Europe, and 47 in Japan. So we would be the youngest country, my dear friends. But you tell me, my dear friend, is writing in the chat box, if this growing population of 130, 135, 137 crores, which we do have, is it a threat or an opportunity? Is it a challenge or an opportunity for us? Please write it on the chat box. That is this population a challenge or an opportunity for us? Threat. All right, it's a threat. Okay, a challenge. Okay, just write what you feel. It's a challenge or it's an opportunity. Okay, both. Please write it. Fine, both, right? Definitely see, we can look at from both perspective, because with the increasing population, the resources are limited, so it can be a challenge. But on the other hand, if we see that the increasing population, if everybody, right, definitely from the positive mindset, if we see that if everybody can develop skills in their hands, and if we encash that demographic dividend, our country can definitely be like the what we known as called the sone ki chidiya jo pehle hua karti thi. Because in the past also, if you study the great economist known as Angus Madison, you can write it द नेम नोन एज एंगस मेडिसिन. इफ यू स्टडी हिज रिपोर्ट, तब के टाइम पर भी इंडिया की जो जीडीपी हुआ करती थी, राइट, या अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ रहा है, डेफिनेटली इट कैन बी अ थ्रेट. तो एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो इंडिया की जीडीपी बहुत स्ट्रांग थी. और अभी भी आप देखें तो इंडिया की जीडीपी तभी आगे सुधर सकती है व्हेन ऑल द पॉपुलेशन आर वेरी वेल स्किल्ड. सो स्किल एजुकेशन की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस आने वाली है. करंटली गवर्नमेंट भी ये रियलाइज कर रही है, तभी उन्होंने 6th क्लास से आगे वोकेशनल कोर्सेज को आगे इंपॉर्टेंस दी है. So self motivation is also very important in developing ourselves, because people जो self motivated होते हैं, they get the things done by themselves also. उनको किसी को push करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. You might have seen like in the northeast, if you go, like people there are walking barefooted on the fire. You say it is madness, आप कहेंगे पागलपन है, but they'll say like it is our belief system, my dear friends, right? It is a belief system, our God is getting happier, right? हम एबीसी पढ़ते थे, बचपन से एबीसी पढ़ते हुए आ रहे हैं, बट अब टाइम है एबीसी का उल्टा थोड़ा सा जानने का, दैट इज सीबीए. सीबीए मींस कंसीव, बिलीव एंड अचीव. वंस यू कंसीव एन आइडिया, आपको उसके ऊपर बिलीव हो गया अच्छा, एंड देन यू विल एबल टू अचीव दैट थिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, राइट? सो दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर बात करें ABCDE की, विद ग्रोइंग टाइम्स, आप भी जब आगे ग्रो करेंगे तो ABCDE को भी आप एक्रोनिम के तौर पर जान सकते हैं. दैट इज एनालाइज, ब्रेनस्टॉर्म, क्रिएट, डिलीवर एंड इवेल्युएट. आई रिपीट, एनालाइज, ब्रेनस्टॉर्म, क्रिएट, डिलीवर एंड इवेल्युएट. तो इस तरीके से आप ABCD की नई एक टर्मिनोलॉजी ले सकते हैं सेल्फ मोटिवेशन के साथ. Right, so these are the things which I would quickly mention over here. The secret of success. First thing is the hunger for knowledge. Like Sundar Pichai, if you see Sundar Pichai, like Google CEO, or if you see anybody else, like they say that I buy more books than I can study, or I sign into more online courses that I can finish. That's because they have a hunger for knowledge. एक सीखने की भूख उनके अंदर थी और अभी भी है. All right, so the next thing is success. I'll ask all of you, like book reading is a very good. जिनको book reading की habit है, please write BR in the chat box. BR, because learning, book reading, right? BR, it's a very good habit, my dear friend, my dear leader. BR, book reading की habit सभी अपने अंदर develop करिए. Have a hunger for knowledge also. The next thing is success and struggle go hand in hand. सोनू निगम जब अपने घर से निकले थे मुंबई जाने के लिए दिल्ली से, तब उनके पास में बहुत कम पैसे थे उस टाइम के ऊपर, राइट? 500 रुपए लिया करते थे वो जगराते जागरण में गाने के लिए, राइट? लेकिन जब वो बॉम्बे के लिए निकल रहे थे, तब उन्होंने एक ही बात बोली थी, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेरी एप्लीकेबल एंड वेरी एप्ट. उन्होंने कहा, ईदर आई स्ट्रगल नाउ till 25 years, till 30 years, either I struggle now and my whole life will be very happy, or I make my life very happy for the first 25 years and then I will struggle whole my life. तो क्या बेटर है? यू हैव टू चूज अमंग योरसेल्फ. चाहे सोनू निगम की बात हो, चाहे KFC की बात हो, चाहे अमिताभ बच्चन की बात हो, everybody of them have faced a lot of struggle, and success and struggle goes hand in hand. The next thing is preparation is the key, right? Athletes train for 15 years for just 15 seconds of their performance. 15 साल लगते हैं खाली 15 सेकंड की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. So you have to prepare yourself very well. Dedicated and commitment is also very very important, right? Jim Carrey, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी, बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है मेरे पास में शेयर करने के लिए, but due to the paucity of time, I'll definitely keep maybe these all session some other time. Continuing to this, I'll move on with the further things. Teamwork, for example, इसकी बात करते हैं जैसे okay, now this thing, sorry, teamwork. Like leadership also, good teamwork also involve lot of other soft skills also. तो working in a team towards a common goal. देखो सभी का, अगर आप भी सब काम कर रहे हैं एक साथ में, तो सभी की एक कॉमन गोल होना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर मूव करते हुए. एंड यू शुड नो कि आपको कब एक लीडर बनना है और कब एक लिसनर बनना है. ऑलराइट, जैसे मैं बात कर रहा था पहले, फॉर एग्जांपल एक छोटी छोटी सी शेयर करता हूं पहले जो बीच में निकली. देयर वाज अ वेरी गुड कॉमेडियन ऑफ 90s नोन एज जिम कैरी. यू माइट हैव हर्ड अबाउट इट, जिम कैरी. तो जिम कैरी का भी एक ही जब टाइम था, ही वाज स्ट्रगलिंग इन हिज लाइफ, तो ही डिड वन थिंग. उन्होंने अपने नाम का एक चेक लिखा, उन्होंने चेक की जो डेट डाली 5 साल बाद की एक डेट डाली, उसके ऊपर $10 मिलियन का उन्होंने अमाउंट, $1 मिलियन का उन्होंने अमाउंट लिखा उसके ऊपर, और उस पे लिख दिया था एक्टिंग सर्विसेज रेंडर्ड। तो ये उन्होंने एक ब्लैंक चेक पे डेट के साथ में लिख दिया था, एंड ही ऑलवेज केप्ट दैट चेक इन हिज माइंड, इन हिज पॉकेट। Whenever he got depressed or demotivated, he always took out that check. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा written goals आपके सामने होने चाहिए. So this is a perfect example, my dear friends. उन्होंने अपना गोल देखा अपनी लाइफ के अंदर कि 5 साल बाद उनको $1 मिलियन का अमाउंट मिलेगा, एंड फॉर द रीजन एक्टिंग सर्विसेज रेंडर्ड। उस टाइम के ऊपर जब वो स्ट्रगलिंग कॉमेडियन 5 साल बाद ठीक एक मूवी आई थी नोन एज द डम्ब एंड डम्बर, जिसके लिए उनको बेस्ट कॉमेडियन का अवार्ड मिला था, एंड उस चेक के ऊपर माय डियर फ्रेंड यही लिखा था, फॉर एक्टिंग सर्विसेज रेंडर्ड। सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, आप भी अगर लाइफ के अंदर देखें तो। ओके, नाउ वी आर मूविंग ऑन द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ इट। आप में से कितने स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनको सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस लगता है कि उनके अंदर थोड़ा सा कम है, एंड वांट टू इंक्रीज देयर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, राइट? एस सी, self confidence in the chat box. SC, okay, right? SC, okay, SC, self confidence, okay, fine. See, definitely I'll give you over here 10 very quick handy tips जिनको आप implement कर सकते हैं, सीख सकते हैं, और उनको जान के अपना सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस जो अपना आत्मविश्वास है उसको आप बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आप बढ़ा सकते हैं। So my quick handy tip first is improve your dressing sense. अपना ड्रेसिंग सेंस इंप्रूव रखिए, हमेशा इंप्रूव करिए, बिकॉज इफ यू आर ड्रेस्ड वेल, इफ यू हैव अ गुड अटायर, इट विल मेक यू फील कॉन्फिडेंट। एक पुअर ड्रेसिंग सेंस, एक पुअर अटायर आपको कॉन्शियस फील करा सकता है। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंप्रूव योर ड्रेसिंग सेंस ऑलवेज whenever you go for any kind of presentation or any important occasion, have your good dressing sense, and as I told you that dress to impress, especially on day one. Second habit, inculcate the habits of confident persons. Who is your role model? Who is the confident person in your thinking? Write in your chat box, who is your role model, whom you think the person is very very confident. Please write in the chat box. आप किसको idolize करते हैं, किसको symbolize करते हैं अपनी life के अंदर? Please write in the chat box, who is your idol person, your role model. Okay, please write. My father, okay, missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, my parents, okay, parents are रोल मॉडल, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम फैमिली मेंबर्स आई रिक्वेस्ट, सी अपार्ट फ्रॉम फैमिली मेंबर और कौन है जिनको हम आइडलाइज करते हैं, कौन से रोल मॉडल है अपार्ट फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स? डेफिनेटली दे आर, आई एग्री, एंड विद ऑल ड्यू रेस्पेक्ट, पेरेंट्स ग्रैंडफादर सब हैं। ओके, डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम रोल मॉडल, ओके, सनी सर, आई एम गेटिंग जिज्ञासा रजवानी, सनी सर, ओके फाइन, सनी सर, नरेंद्र मोदी, विधि गोयल, ओके, parent Narendra Modi, Kalam, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos, very nice, see, very nice, see, very nice, perfectly, Bhagat Singh, okay, fine, very nice. See, so what we have to do, see, okay, what we have to do, that inculcate the habits of confident person, whoever are the confident person according to us, राइट, जिनको भी अपना रोल मॉडल मानते हैं, सो वी हैव टू इनकलकेट दी हैबिट्स ऑफ देम। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम स्टूडेंट्स को ही देखें, लाइक जो भी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, लाइक जो ईगर टू लर्न होते हैं, तो बैक बेंचर्स आर नॉट बैड एट ऑल, राइट, they also have their good learning ability, but अधिकतर स्टूडेंट देखा जाता है कि जो लर्निंग एबिलिटी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं, they try to occupy the first seat in the class, right? So whatever are the habits of the confident person, just try to inculcate those habits. Thirdly, all of us have our own unique signature strength, our USP, unique selling proposition, हम सबकी होती है. So just try to identify your USP. What is your own USP? Introspect yourself. अपने family members से पूछिए कि आपकी strength क्या है, right? Then be better than others in at least one thing. उस थिंग के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करिए थोड़ा सा, जिसके अंदर आप इनबिल्ट क्वालिटी आपकी जो है, right? Try to focus on that, try to improve that quality more and more. Let it be like tidal wave which goes all the way, all the world around, right? Focus on your key signature strength only. The next thing is remember your achievements. You might have, definitely you have earned lot of achievements, lot of laurels since your childhood, From the school if you are studying, right, आपके पास बहुत सारे सर्टिफिकेट्स, प्राइजेस, मेडल्स, ट्रॉफीज, बहुत चीजें होंगी। करना क्या है कि कुछ को अगर आप कर सके तो उनको फ्रेम करा दीजिए थोड़ा से, और अपने सामने रख लीजिए, अपने घर के ऑफिस में, घर के ड्राइंग रूम, लिविंग रूम के अंदर। एंड जब भी आप लाइफ में लो फील करते हैं, जस्ट ट्राई टू लुक एट दोज अचीवमेंट कि यस, उस टाइम के ऊपर भी आई हैव अचीव फोटो इन योर लाइफ, रिमेंबर योर अचीवमेंट्स। अगर तब भी आपने ऐसा किया था तो अब भी मैं ऐसा कर सकती हूँ या करती हूँ, कर सकती हूँ, राइट। सो रिमेंबर योर अचीवमेंट। डेफिनेटली बैक बेंचर्स आर देयर एंड बहुत आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। नो बडी ऑफ अस इज वीक और डल। Everybody of us have like this 26 million neurons mind that we are having, and mind is very very powerful. चाहे कोई कहीं पर भी बैठता हो, राइट, किसी भी एज में हो, किसी भी स्टेज में हो, हम सब बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं अपने माइंड से। जस्ट द थिंग इज दैट कि विजुअलाइज दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट। विजुअलाइज करिए, एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट इमेजिनेशन इज अ वेरी पावरफुल नेशन। अपने आप को विजुअलाइज करिए दैट यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं फोटो के अंदर एक बिल्ली भी अपने आप को देखकर विजुअलाइज करिए कि एक बिल्ली नहीं है, वो एक लॉयनस टाइग्रस है, शेर है। Alright, so visualize that you are confident and definitely you will emerge out as a confident player. The next point is, do not be afraid of making mistakes in your life. Mistakes are there for your great learning. They are the stepping stones in your life. You can utilize them as great stepping stones and achieve success in your life. So do not be afraid of making mistakes. Albert Einstein or other great leaders, they have learned from their own mistakes. Next is, don't give excuse of not knowing English as your low self confidence. अगर आपकी इंग्लिश लो है, थोड़ी सी पुअर है, राइट, अगर आप रीडिंग, राइटिंग, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन, अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हैं अच्छी तरीके से, तो क्या हुआ? There is nothing impossible in your life, as impossible itself says that I am possible. They can be learned. So don't give excuses for not knowing English as your low self confidence, and repeat the things that let your self confidence down. आप करिए, एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, 10 बार करिए, आपका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस देखिएगा अपने आप ही बढ़ जाएगा। एंड प्रिपेयर वेल ऑन स्पेशल ओकेजन। जो भी आपकी लाइफ के स्पेशल ओकेजन है, you have to prepare well on them. And as I told you, better prevent and prepare than repent and repair. कि एक बार तो अच्छे से हमको तैयारी करनी है, नहीं तो फिर वो हमको बाद में ध्यान नहीं रहना चाहिए कि अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। चिड़िया को खेत नहीं चुगने देना है माय डियर फ्रेंड, राइट। पछतावा नहीं करना है, और अगर करना है तो जरूर से करिए कि एक बार अच्छे से पछताइए, रोइए। अगर आप गलती करें, गलती करने से ही आप सीखते हैं। सो बोथ वे आप इस चीज को ले सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट थिंग इज सेट योर प्रायोरिटीज डेली। अपनी प्रायोरिटीज को डेली सेट करिए कि व्हाट आर द थिंग जो आपकी हाई लेवल की है प्रायोरिटी की, जो मीडियम लेवल की है, और जो लो लेवल की प्रायोरिटी है। तो प्रायोरिटाइज योरसेल्फ। एंड वी आर ऑन द लास्ट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वेबिनार ऑफ टुडे, that be positive always and try to bounce back always in your life. Whenever you feel bad, be just like the wiper of a car. जैसे एक कार का वाइपर होता है, हम रेन वाटर को हटा देते हैं उससे, वैसे ही जो आपकी लाइफ के अंदर जो नेगेटिविटी है, बचपन से लेकर आपके, अगर किसी ने, रिलेटिव्स ने, फ्रेंड्स ने, फैमिली मेंबर्स ने, या किसी ने भी आपको बोला है कि तू ये नहीं कर सकता है, तेरे बस की नहीं है, यू कैन नॉट डू दैट, ऑलराइट। तो ये नेगेटिविटी से जो भी आपकी लाइफ का सामने, फॉर एग्जांपल, वाइप ऑफ कर दीजिए उसको। मैं इसको एक एग्जांपल एनालॉजी देता हूं कि एक कार की तरह इमेजिन यू आर सिटिंग इन अ कार, और जो आपके सामने शीशा है वह आपका बचपन से एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर होता है, आपको सामने का व्यू नजर आता है पूरा। बट जैसे जैसे बड़े होते हैं तो वो धुंधला होता जाता है। एंड वॉट एवर यू कैन सी, जो आपके सामने है नेगेटिविटी से, जस्ट वाइप ऑफ विद ऑल योर फुल कन्विक्शन एंड कॉन्फिडेंट। तो आपको देखिएगा अपनी मंजिल भी नजर आने लगेगी, और मंजिल तक जाने का रास्ता भी नजर आने लगेगा। So this is the thing कि always be positive in your life. And last but not the least, develop an ability to think. Because होता क्या है, देखिए कि अगर हम एक बार में कोई काम करते हैं तो वो अच्छे तरीके से होता है, 100% से होता है, ऑलराइट। नेक्स्ट टाइम हम करते हैं तो 90% से होता है, थर्ड टाइम हम करते हैं तो 90% का भी 90% से होता है, यानी कि 81% से होता है। नेक्स्ट टाइम तो और कम हो जाता है, 80% का भी 80%, दैट इज समवेयर अबाउट 68%। तो एक तरीके से दिस इज नोन एज डाउनवर्ड इंटीग्रिटी सिंड्रोम, हमारा परफॉर्मेंस गिरता रहता है। लेकिन आप मुझे बताइए कि विच वन आर यू? डू यू सी द ग्लास हाफ एम्प्टी और हाफ फुल? दैट मीन्स आर यू optimistic or positive? I am. Whatever do you see, right? Half empty or half full, right? Half empty, half full, right? Optimistic or pessimistic? Okay, fine. Optimistic or pessimistic? O or P, short form में लिख सकते हैं. Do you see yourself optimistic or pessimistic? Come on. O or P? Okay, O or P? Optimistic. Pessimistic is negative thinker. Okay, fine. Pessimistic, negative thinker. Optimistic, always positive thinker. So with these words, I, Dr. Shekhar Kapoor, thank all of you from my side, also from my university side, Bharatiya Skill Development University. I thank you, and thank you the management of Malviya Convent School and all the wonderful budding leaders. Thank you once again. Namaskar. I am open for all your queries. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Shekhar. Indeed, it was a very wonderful presentation, and it was really an energy booster. And no doubt, I hope and I wish, and I know actually, all of the students have attended very carefully, very diligently, and very dedicatedly. And I hope that they will utilize all the points that you have told today in their practical life exposures, and it will give them a great heights of success. And for 5 minutes we are Dr. Shekhar, for 5 minutes we are putting for some question answer session. If any students is having any small query, he or she can raise the hand so that I may unmute him or her, and so that he or she may ask the question. Is there any student? You all may switch on the cameras for 5 minutes if it is possible for you all. If you are having any problem, then you may raise the hands. Otherwise, if you are still having any question or query related to the self-confidence or your professional and personal development, you can share to us. We can pass on to Dr. Shekhar. We may request him to please answer those queries, right? And we would request Dr. Shekhar to keep on managing and doing such seminars on wonderful topics related to the students' orientation and students' personality development in the near future. Malviya Convent School, on behalf of all the management, all the team members, the coordinator ma'am is also present here, and our other team members also present here. We would like to thank Dr. Shekhar for giving your valuable time, and it was a wonderful presentation which has also been recorded, which would be very useful for our other students also. And I hope we should take a leave today with the hope that we will continue the same in the near future also. Thank you all, dear students, and utilize the things best. Thank you, Madhok ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Shekhar. Thank you, Mahavir ji. Thank you, Ravi sir, and all dear students. And once again, wishing all members and all the presenters today a very happy Eid. May God, may Allah bless you all. Thank you. I'm signing off, sir. Sir, please, Shekhar sir, कहना चाहेंगे हम?
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. And thank you all the future leaders for being a wonderful audience. I'll drop an email ID over here if you like. I'll give you the email ID to respected your team. If any queries arise in your mind, you can definitely contact me anytime. Thank you so much once again.
Yes, sir, you can please write your Facebook page also so that the students may connect if they are having any problem. Innovation Training Services.
Yeah, you can follow this page for more updates, innovation training solutions. You can follow it. And thank you once again, sir.
Thank you. Take care all. Have a good day.
Thank you.